Welcome to English ShadowBox.
Hit subscribe and join the flock. Ding!
Good morning, English ShadowBoxers. I'm Effy, and I am wide awake and ready to help you find your voice today.
Is it morning already? My alarm went off at 6 a.m., but I thought it was a dream, so I accidentally threw my phone across the room. It's behind the radiator now. I'm currently talking into a toaster.
Oh, Sam. Classic. Well, try to focus. Today is a huge day. We are solving the silent English problem. We're learning how to talk about yourself with total confidence.
I need this. Every time someone says, "Tell me about yourself," my brain just exits the building. I just say, "I am Sam. I like bread." It's awkward.
No more bread talk. Today, you'll master natural expressions like, "I'm a people person," and "I'm really into..." Plus, we're doing 10 active speaking reps together. By the end of this 15 minutes, you will speak.
If you've ever had an embarrassing moment like me, or if you've ever dropped your phone behind a radiator, give this video a thumbs up right now and subscribe. Help a clumsy guy out.
Okay, Sam, let's role play. Imagine we are at a party and I ask, "So, Sam, tell me about yourself."
Oh, okay. I am Sam. I am very interested in movies. My job is office worker. I like meet people.
Wait, let's fix that. Sam, you said, "I am very interest." Remember, if you feel the emotion, it's interested with an ED.
Ah, right. I am interested in movies.
Better, but let's make it sound more natural. Instead of, "I like meet people," try, "I'm a people person."
Oh, I like that. I'm a people person, even though I'm a night owl and hate mornings.
Exactly. Let's try again. What do you do for fun, Sam?
Honestly, I'm really into photography lately. I take pictures of my cat. He's my only friend who doesn't mind my clumsy accidents.
"I'm really into" is a perfect way to share a hobby. It's much more natural than "my hobby is." And do you get along with your coworkers at the office?
Oh, totally. I get along with everyone, except the coffee machine. It splashed me yesterday.
English ShadowBoxers, pay attention to these 4 phrases Sam used: people person, into, get along with, and night owl. We're going to use them right now. Now, this is my favorite part, our breakthrough moment. We're going to do the 3-step loop together. I'm right here with you, so don't be shy. This isn't a listening test. It's your time to shine. Speak out loud with me. Sentence 1. I'm actually a bit of a night owl.
Okay, listen to the link. Bit of a. It sounds like bit of a. Stress the word owl. A bit of a night owl. Your turn. Speak out loud.
Sentence 2. I'm really into photography lately.
Into and photography flow together. Don't say photography. Say photography. Stress the second part. Your turn. Speak out loud.
Sentence 3. I'm a total people person.
Total ends in an L and people starts with P. Link them. Total people. Your turn. Speak out loud.
Sentence 4. I get along with almost everyone.
This is a long one. Get along with. It sounds like one big word. Get along with everyone. Your turn. Speak out loud.
Sentence 5. In my free time, I love to unwind.
Unwind means to relax. Give that W sound some space. Unwind. Your turn. Speak out loud.
Great job! Now, a quick 2026 tip. When you talk about yourself, you might hear the term side hustle.
Like a dance move? Ouch!
No, a side hustle is a small business or a second job you do because you're passionate about it. For example, I'm an accountant, but my side hustle is selling vintage shoes.
Oh, so my side hustle could be reviewing toasters?
If people watch it, sure. It shows you are creative and organized. Well, maybe not the organized part for you, Sam. Let's recap. Today we learned night owl, people person, into, get along with, and side hustle.
And we learned that I shouldn't throw my phone.
Here is your comment challenge. What is your favorite hobby or your side hustle?
The requirement. Answer in the comments and you must use at least 2 of today's new words.
I promise to personally check the comments to like or correct your sentences. I want to see you using these.
If you actually spoke along just now, even if your voice was as quiet as a mosquito, please give us a like. This is your very first badge on the journey to becoming a spoken English pro.
That's right. Click subscribe and turn on the little bell to join the English ShadowBox family. Don't let your speaking skills go back to mute mode again.
Share this with a friend who understands but can't speak. Let's practice together.
Turn silent English into real speaking.
And we'll see you in the next English ShadowBox.
Bye!
Bye!